Good, right where we are, Rachel.
Are we?
What do you think of this view?
It's gorgeous.
You got talked into the rope swing yesterday.
I did.
Now you're base jumping.
I am.
What do you think of Moab? Pretty cool?
It's the most beautiful place I've ever been.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared.
You're supposed to be scared. That means you're smart.
Okay.
It's half the fun.
Okay.
Anything you want to say before we go?
I don't think so.
All right. Enjoy the moment.
I'm trying to be in the moment right now.
I love it. It's a good place to be.
Okay.
Are you ready to base jump?
Hold on.
You got all the time you need. Remember,
Okay.
just like we practiced.
Okay, the thing is, it's funny because I feel like I'm like leaning back.
It's all right. Don't worry. I've got you. You don't want to move
Is that
your
your
feet.
foot?
Yeah, it's all
Okay.
good. You're
Okay.
perfect just the way you are.
Okay.
Just the way you are. Trust me.
Okay, I'll trust you.
You're good. We're just going to hop just like we practiced.
Okay,
Are you ready to base jump?
I am.
Join me in counting at 3. Jump after you say 1.
Okay.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Perfect! Nice work, Rachel!
Oh my god!
You're giggling! I think that's one of my favorite responses to base jumping, girl.
Oh
Don't doubt yourself! You crushed it! Nothing you can't do. You're giggling still. I take it you like it.
I loved it!
Hell yeah! All right, get ready to get those feet up real high.
Okay.
Nice work, Rachel. Just like that, we're on the ground. What a weekend.
Oh my god!
Rope swing Moab yesterday, tandem base Moab today. How are you feeling right now?
Can I hug you?
You better hug me.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
You were just standing up there.
That's insane.
How are you feeling up top?